While coming home last night from a charity event, I took the road to my house and found out I couldn't even see the road. I thought my headlights weren't even on. So this is not only convenient, but it's a safety factor.
Hey, this is Abraham with FixMyHeadlights.com. These are the foggy headlights on Nancy's 4Runner that was causing her to be uncertain whether her headlights were on or off, causing a safety issue.
Look at this. Is that amazing? They were totally yellow before. I couldn't even see out of them. So I highly recommend you use this service. Plus you can stay home and clean your house while they're cleaning your headlights. Okay.
So it's very convenient.
Very convenient, very easy.
Foggy headlights is a major safety issue. Protect your loved ones. Call us today and set up an appointment. 954-272-8560.
I'm a happy customer. I highly recommend you use this service. And it is fixmyheadlights.com.